Mock turkey? I'm ready for a mock recipe.
I'm ready for a mock recipe.
Are you mocking me?
I sure am.
It's mock recipe time. This is a recipe for mock turkey. And no, it doesn't contain turkey. It contains beef. I'm going to start frying that up. I'm cutting this recipe in half, according to the one in my description. I'm going to start with some basic bread. I'm just going to tear that up and put it in a bowl. Cream of celery soup. Cream of chicken soup. And some milk. And a little poultry seasoning. Next comes that beef drained. Mix that together. Add it to a pan. I'm going to bake it at 350 for about an hour. And yes, this is an actual vintage recipe. Wow, looks just like a slice of turkey. Not. But let's see how it tastes. It does have a poultry-like flavor. It's definitely meaty, but to me it seems more like a stuffing. I think with all that bread in there. So it does have a Thanksgiving-like feel. But is it turkey? Not exactly. But I'm glad I tried it. Thank you so much for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen, and I can't wait to try more mock recipes. And guess what? I have my own playlist of just mock recipes. Check it out. Why shouldn't you take a turkey to church? Because of the foul language.